Chia seeds benefits, the plant-based protein powerhouse revealed. In the realm of superfoods, chia seeds have emerged as a nutritional powerhouse, celebrated for their impressive health benefits and versatility in the kitchen. Originating from the Salvia hispanica plant, chia seeds have been a dietary staple for centuries, primarily among ancient civilizations such as the Aztecs and Mayans. Today, these tiny seeds are gaining popularity worldwide for their exceptional nutrient profile, particularly as a plant-based protein source. In this video, we'll explore the myriad benefits of chia seeds, emphasizing their role as a plant-based protein powerhouse. 1. Rich in plant-based protein. Chia seeds are a remarkable source of plant-based protein, making them an excellent addition to vegetarian and vegan diets. Despite their small size, chia seeds pack a substantial protein punch. Protein is crucial for various bodily functions, including muscle repair, immune system support, and hormone production. With approximately 2 grams of protein per tablespoon, chia seeds offer an easily digestible and complete protein source, containing all 9 essential amino acids the body cannot produce on its own. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids for heart health. Chia seeds are renowned for their omega-3 fatty acid content, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Omega-3 fatty acids play a pivotal role in promoting heart health by reducing inflammation, improving cholesterol levels, and supporting overall cardiovascular function. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet provides a plant-based alternative to traditional sources of omega-3s, such as fatty fish. The gel-like consistency that chia seeds develop when soaked in liquid further enhances their ability to promote a feeling of fullness and may aid in weight management. 3. High in dietary fiber. Dietary fiber is essential for maintaining digestive health and regulating blood sugar levels. Chia seeds are an excellent source of soluble fiber, which forms a gel-like substance when mixed with liquids, aiding in digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness. This gel-forming property also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, making chia seeds a valuable addition for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their weight. Including chia seeds in your meals or snacks can contribute to improved digestive regularity and long-lasting satiety. 4. Loaded with antioxidants. Chia seeds boast a robust antioxidant profile, protecting the body against oxidative stress and inflammation. Antioxidants play a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases. The high concentration of antioxidants in chia seeds, including flavonoids and polyphenol, makes them a valuable component of an anti-inflammatory diet. Regular consumption of chia seeds may contribute to reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall well-being. 5. Versatile culinary applications. One of the key attractions of chia seeds is their versatility in the kitchen. These tiny seeds can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes, from smoothies and yogurt parfaits to oatmeal and baked goods. When mixed with liquid, chia seeds absorb the moisture and develop a gel-like consistency, creating a pudding-like texture that can serve as a base for a range of desserts or snacks. This adaptability makes it simple to reap the benefits of chia seeds without compromising on taste or culinary creativity.